And the Meghalaya government has sent out a stern warning to the people and localities who opposed the last rites of the COVID-19 victims. Yesterday, speaking on the matter, State Health Minister Al Haq said the government will not tolerate such inhumane behavior and will take necessary action against those who oppose last rites under the Epidemic Disease Act.
But this is the state of affairs happening yesterday. It is a shame, I have told you. Actually, I have told our government need to apply the Epidemic Act, and nobody we should allow to interfere with the affair of the government. Any decision we are taking for the betterment of the people and the citizens of our state, and we will not allow this kind of inhuman happening in future in our state.
This reaction from the Meghalaya Health Minister came after as many as 2 places in the state denied burial of the Bethany Hospital doctor who succumbed to the deadly virus yesterday.
People has forgotten the mankind now. They have completely forgotten we are the mankind. Dr. Silo, who has been serving, and so many thousands of people, has given his services, has given free services to cure thousands of people. At the end of the day, when he died, I feel so ashamed. When people has lost the thoughts of mankind, they have lost. It is a shame to me. It's a shame to the people. It's a shame to everybody. Why we have lost the thoughts of mankind? We are all human beings. We are just created by same God. We cannot deny anybody deny for any cremations or deny for any burial. This is that, but ultimately the government has succeeded, and we had really but today, finally, we could bury the deaths of the Dr. John Silo.
The Meghalaya Health Minister further informed that the 6 family members of the deceased doctor who tested positive for COVID-19 are under home quarantine.
Now they are quarantined at home. I had spoken yesterday also, today, this morning also, to David, Dr. John Silo. I've spoken to him. I've been in touch with him every interval. And this morning also I spoke to him because I got so many calls from his friends, from his relatives, from Nagaland, from Manipur, from Mizoram. Everybody is saying what they are doing. This positive or negative, they have been staying together. Then I shared this to David, the sons of the Dr. John Silo. And I told him, if you have any difficulty, he said, no, we have no difficulty. We are all been quarantined at home. We have separate room. We are all fine and convenient here only. So since the people who are positive, they are convenient in their own home, we having all the facilities, why disturb them? We should be cooperate with them. They are also cooperating. Everything are cooperating with the government. We also need to cooperate with them. We have to cooperate with all the people. We are cooperating with everyone, every walk of life. We are cooperating with them. So now all are stable, everyone is stable. It's not to be worried now, but the only thing has to be self-quarantine, to be self-quarantine and to also to be stay at home. That's all only the advice, not to mix with anybody. They are maintaining, strictly adhering to the advisory of the health protocol. Everybody adhering with that one, and we are also appreciate of the discipline maintaining by the family.
Haq also informed that contact tracing is still underway on a war footing and it is yet to be ascertained as to who was the source of the virus in the state. He further rubbished rumors doing rounds in social media that the son-in-law of the deceased doctor might have been the carrier of the virus. The health minister clarified that the son-in-law has tested negative for the deadly virus on 3 occasions.
Tracing now also, there's also the surveillance committee. They are working to tracing out from where the history came that the COVID-19 first it is coming to Shillong. So that they are working, the surveillance committees are working on this, and we are looking forward soon they will be able to trace out the history.
Okay, is it confirmed that Dr. Silo got the virus from his son-in-law?
No, that is not anything. We have been tracing that. The history is not showing that this coming from his son-in-law. No. Even the son-in-law has given the appeal. They had shown, they have done thrice the testing to him, all found to be negative. I found to be negative. How we can say that it is coming from his son-in-law? No, I said no at all. It's not like coming from his son-in-law. We have to be tracing out from which history this is coming from the COVID-19 to Dr. Silo. That has to be traced out by the surveillance committee are doing this.